Hello everyone, welcome to BrainyBytes. Today we will learn something very important for all competitive exams. The 12 schedules of the Indian Constitution. Let's start. And the first schedule of the Indian Constitution, which lists the states and union territories. This schedule contains the names of states and union territories along with their territorial boundaries. Next, the second schedule of the Indian Constitution, which outlines the salaries allowance of the president, governors, judges, and other high officials. Next, the third schedule, which contains the forms of oaths and affirmation for various constitutional posts like the president, minister, MPs, etc. Next, the fourth schedule of the Indian Constitution, which allocates seats in the Rajya Sabha, means it specifies how many seats each state has in the Rajya Sabha. Next, fifth schedule, which provides for the administration of scheduled areas and tribes, means it deals with the administration and control of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes in any state except those in the sixth schedule. Next, sixth schedule, administration of tribal areas in northeast. It covers the tribal area of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Next, seventh schedule, division of powers, means it divides power between union and the states into union list, state list and concurrent list. Eighth schedule, official languages. It lists the recognized languages of India. Currently 22 languages are included. Next, ninth schedule, laws protected from judicial reviews. It contains laws that can't be challenged in court, mainly related to land reforms. Next, 10th schedule, anti-defection law. It deals with disqualification of MPs and MLAs on the ground of defection. Next, 11th schedule, Panchayati Raj system. It contains 29 subjects under a Panchayati Raj institution. Next, 12th schedule, municipalities powers. It includes 18 subjects under municipalities. So friends, these are the 12 schedules of our Indian Constitution. Simply short and easy to remember. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.